yeah, 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 ha 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 ha, ho ho ho.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy here, aka BeForeverGlam. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button below. If you're not, wagwan. So now this is gonna be my everyday soft foundation eyeshadow makeup look for you guys. So I asked on Instagram and majority of you guys actually voted for this look. So here goes. Let's get into it. So the foundation that I'm actually using, it's the Nars in Macaco, and I mix it with the Illamasqua 15. I love this foundation combo because I feel like it's just like the perfect shade for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this tutorial. I'll be doing an in-depth foundation routine coming pretty soon. Now I'm gonna go ahead to the highlighting. I actually use the MAC NC45 concealer for this part, and I like it. Now let me just say, this is a full coverage concealer, so I only use this on days that, you know, I wake up very early, but then I went to bed like pretty much late. And if I know that I have a gig after work, I'll use this concealer. Otherwise, I will use my LA Girl Fawn concealer, which I've been using, you know, for quite a few tutorials here on my channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the Danessa Myricks powder in 03. Now guys, I was shook. Like, this ain't no joke. This powder is so good. This could be an all over powder for me instead of just using it underneath my eyes. As you guys can see, it did not brighten, you know, underneath my eye. In the packaging, it looks so yellow. I'm sorry. And I thought that it would, you know, work very good like my banana powder, but it pretty much does the job for me. I really don't care. It's the bomb. Like, I'm going to work here. I'm not going to the club. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my black radiance contour kit in medium dark. I'm sorry guys. And I'm gonna do this very lightly because I don't need to have like a heavy contour, and I do not like that look personally. It's just my thing. I don't like it. Anyhow, if you mess up, you can go back in with the foundation brush and just go over those areas just to blend and let it look a little bit more softer. So now let's just get into the eye look. Guys, I believe that I only used 3 eyeshadows to create this look. First, I'm gonna go into my Juvias Place, the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm gonna take Madagascar, and that's gonna be my transition color. Now, I personally love earth tone colors and gold colors on my lids. I'm sorry. So secondly, I'm gonna go into Kenya, and I'm just gonna darken the outer V area of my lids, and I'm just gonna blend that into Madagascar. Now, I love the way that this actually transition, like for both colors. So you have to make sure that you take your time and blend them together. Next, I'm gonna take Sheba from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply that to the center part of my my mobile lids, and I'm gonna do this in a patting and like pushing motion, as you can see here. Then next, I'm gonna go ahead and blend those 3 colors very softly. You don't want to over blend it because, you know, it's gonna look washed out. And if you do, you can go back over with Sheba, which I think I did, because I was a little bit carried away. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with this Jordanna. Is this Jordanna? Yeah, a Jordanna black eyeliner. You can use any one of your choice. I love the drugstore. I mean, it does the same thing as the high-end ones, in my opinion. It's just an eyeliner. And my favorite mascara right at this moment is this L'Oreal Voluptuous Lash Paradise in Black It's Black. It's a waterproof mascara. It reminds me of Better Than Sex mascara, which this is a drugstore dupe. It pretty much does the job for me. If I'm going to work every day, I will wear this one. This is my go-to mascara, and you guys can try it out. I'm like stuck on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with a brown lip liner, and I believe this one is either Wet n Wild or Jordanna, and I'm just gonna line my lips. I think I went in I'm a little bit hard, you know, like heavy-handed, so I went in a little bit too, you know, heavy with that, but I made it work. So the gloss today of choice is this e.l.f. Pink Cosmo, and I applied that over the liner and blended. It actually blended nicely, in my opinion. You know, I usually use the NYX butter gloss. Those are pretty much good for, you know, an everyday wear, but I decided to take this one today. So now I'm going to take Gold Deposit, and this is a MAC highlighter, and I'm just going to use it and softly highlight, you know, the highest areas of my my face. Now these lashes, it's some Mink lashes. I don't remember where I got them, guys, but you can use any one of your choice. And this is the final look. I hope that you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Tonight me feel I spend some cash. Cool on the Benz, just wash. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci loafers with a tough top. Money no fi call thicker than a blood clot. Who you know, pa me belly with a clutch back. When a bad sound play with